It's ready. She is getting towed away. Big shout out to my boy Hunter. He's gonna be taking me. Shout out Motornut too. Really coming through, fixing the build.
Pac-Man, bro.
Yeah, shout out Pac-Man. Yeah. All right, a lot of y'all wonder why I'm not posting right now. I'm with my boy Hunter. As you guys can see,
SN's down.
the SN95 is getting towed. Saddest day of my life right here. We are just getting the Motornut. As you guys can see, there is a bunch of Fox bodies. Like not only over there, but over here too. There's just like a buttload of Fox bodies. Nice. Then got my fan. Yeah, right here's cool, Hunter. Hunter, we good right here, right? I can just drive. Yeah, we good. Yo, wait, are these our 888s? Oh,
tell them the sign.
They're 305s?
335.
335s? Yo, this truck got some serious meat on it. The Ranger? This is a Ranger, right?
The Ranger, yeah.
Oh, okay, yeah. I don't really know my trucks like that, but. And this is a 5.3?
5.3.
Oh, shit. This is dope. Do a quick rev. Yo, that's crazy. Hey, real talk, if y'all have any cars you guys need fixed or anything, bruh, go to Motornut, bro. I promise you they'll get you right. Super cool people. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at this. Like, I'm not playing. They got all these cars. They mainly focus on Mustangs, like Fox bodies and all that, but in general, they're just cool people.
Oh, pretty quick.
Huh?
They pulled out.
All right, so my boy, he literally owns all these cars right here. That's like a dream. Like, look at this white Fox. Let me show y'all real quick. This low-key reminds me of my boy Ocho's. He coyote swapped his Fox, but I think it's a different year probably. I'm not sure. I'm not really too good with Fox bodies, so you know what I'm saying? I'm not quite sure. Oh, and another thing too, y'all probably noticed my hair. Why did I cut it? I don't know, but you know what I'm saying, I got right. Oh shoot, you about to whip this thing or what? All right, I didn't want to show this car yet, but Adam LZ, oh man, you got some competition, boy. I'm not even playing. Like look at this setup. Hey, don't you still gotta get these for your car, or you don't have them?
No, I need to get the camber. I'm gonna ask him right now, but I need these.
Yeah,
ASAP.
Because you don't have these. Huh?
I don't have camber test plates at all.
Yeah, real talk. This is gonna be like the cleanest drift build ever.
I was gonna get them, but I will give you the chance.
Like, look at this. Full roll cage. Like, this thing is gonna be a beast. All right. Let's see if Mr. Pac-Man or Mr. Hunter can see.
Look, I'm gonna let the mechanic.
Yeah, I'm gonna let him. Oh, okay.
Okay.
He is a
Pac-Man.
mechanic.
All right, man. Look.
Yeah, so this is what I'm running right now.
Look right down here.
Yeah, so if you look right down there, you can see where the pulley snap. It's kind of like hanging off.
It's the bearing.
The idler pulley, right?
Yeah, and then you can see like the belt. It's like shredding towards the side.
Because it was leaning to one side.
Yeah. Bro, at first it wasn't that bad, but then when I drove it home, like I started hearing, bro, when I turned it on, did you hear it? Yeah.
But it's the belt itself slapping.
The belt, it's just like.
You know what comes up to mind when I see this?
What?
Well, boys, I think you're a little too hard. I hope my radiator's fine. Oh.
Sir, and then right here, I'm losing air. But it's all good though, because I just ordered the R888Rs.
Well,
That should be coming soon. Yep. Oh my god. My boy Pac-Man.
Jesus.
He just pulled this out of the.
Jesus Christ.
Look at this. He just pulled this out. Like the belt is. Oh my god. It doesn't
This
even
car
focus.
needs Jesus.
Bro, it needs a Lord and Savior, bro.
need
This
that
is
one
the
guy to
Lord.
come.
Hey, this is the Lord and Savior, dog. This is him.
Hey, y'all ever need a Fox body or a Mustang? You know who to hit up. This buff guy.
Not Francisco. Hit up Pac-Man.
Hit up Pac-Man. Yes, sir.
Hey, you gotta go like this. Look, don't hit up Francisco.
Yeah.
Hit up Pac-Man.
Hit up Pac-Man. Hey, bro, this is a birthday present to you, bro.
Bro, are you serious?
Yeah, bro. Like,
No way. You didn't have to do that much, man. This is too much. I can't accept this.
yeah, you're right. Let me.
All right, yeah.
Ah!
You. Is that funny?
That's
I'ma
some
say
big
bye to
ass
Albert
zip
real
ties. I
quick.
think we could use those for a belt. Jesus Christ!
Look at that boy.
Big ass, like almost.
All right, let me. You going?
Am I gonna turn it on or?
You can if you want. It's just gonna sound like really gnarly. Like this is gonna be.
You don't mind me moving your settings, do you?
Oh, actually, about that.
It's bolted to the fucking god. Damn short people problems. I'm a thug.
Oh, I can't even see you. You're not. Oh my god, it sounds so nasty. Ugh. Yup. Here, I'll push it. Yeah, that is good. Chilling.
Jesus Christ.
Oh my god. About to put on the zip ties on this thing. Alright, y'all. So a boat's loose from my headlights, so I'm gonna stick it out a little bit and I'm gonna see if Pac-Man notices it. But I'll let you. Alright, Pac. Alright, let's get going. Bro, overall they're like super cool people. Well, for me, my first time meeting them.
Bro, they're cool as fuck. Just don't come in asking for some half-ass. They're gonna give you some duct tape and zip ties.
Alright, y'all.
We
arrived to Cowboy. Big shout out to my boy Hunter. He really helped me out with this, like, just like the plug with like everything, literally with motor nut, Pac-Man. Bro, Pac-Man's a funny guy, bro. I'm so glad I met him. But
Pac-Man's cool as shit, dog.
yeah, I'm just getting to Cowboy right now. About to meet up with the homie Jared, and then go to Cars and Coffee. But hey, bro.
All right, buddy.
Appreciate you. See y'all later. Peace. Oh, that's actually. Yeah.
The next day.
Oh my god. All right, everybody. So I'm not gonna be filming that much because it's just awkward, like holding up my phone and talking at the same time. Like, I don't know, there's like a lot of people, so it's just kind of like hard to talk. And then my camera died, so I gotta be filming on my phone. I'm not gonna be filming every car. It's just any car that looks appealing to me, I'm probably just gonna get it. But yeah, whoever built this did an amazing job. Just overall with the car in general. If you guys want to follow, there you go. It looks so clean. I don't even know where to begin. Like the wrap, the cow hood, like this thing is just overall a clean build, and it looks super aggressive from the front. Hey, you know when the hood's off of a vet that it's already gonna be some power. Like, when I mean some power, like I mean 1,000 rear wheel horsepower. Like, look at this. Alex, where you at? Calling you out, boy. Dang, and then you got the, oh my god. Alex, where are you, bro? You lacking. Look at this. Where you at, Alex?
That's a $32,000 engine alone.
Bro, straight up, like.
Let's not do that to my truck.
Nah, relax. Bro, what you gotta do is you gotta put some twin turbos on that truck. You gotta cash out all your money.
I need a whole new engine.
You gotta build your entire block to do that, but I like that see-through little piece. See the supercharger? I like how all three of these vets are lined up. It's so clean. Alright, y'all, this is a Terminator Cobra. Literally my dream car right here. Those of you guys who don't know what the Terminator Cobra is, basically like the Hellcat of the 2000 eras. Like, this is probably the cleanest build I've seen by far. Oh, what the heck? Look at that tire shine. I don't know if y'all can see, it's kind of like glittery. That's cool. Dang. Overall though, this build is really clean. Oh my God, I'm a simple guy. Look, I see a clean build like this and I just gotta go up to it. Jesus, this is the cleanest build. Okay, I thought the Terminator was the cleanest build I've seen, but this, the setup on this, oh yeah, nah, they tripping. This is the cleanest build. I give this a 10 out of 10. Yo. And then look at the, like, how does somebody even do this? That's a carbon fiber ducktail, but somehow they're able to paint it and like fade it in with the ducktail. That's so sick. Dang. Time has come. We have the GTR R34 and we have the Supra right next to each other. Hey bro, if this video gets like 1 million, 1,000 trillion likes, bro, I might have to get you this. Just, I don't know, I doubt it, but you know what I'm saying? It could happen, so, you know, make sure to like the video one more time. You feel me? But let's take some time to appreciate this Supra though. Look, it got the carbon top wing right here. It looks like they added it. You see they bolted it in right there. Man, I hardly like this. Punisher_Supra did a really good job with this build. Phenomenal job. All right guys, that's it for today's video. We just made it back to Jay's house. Can you zoom in? Dang, you can't zoom in, bro. This is why I hate recording on my phone. Anyways, though, I forgot to say that Pac-Man had called me earlier when I was at Cars and Coffee, and he told me that the bracket and I guess the pinion, pulley, and the bell, there's like a kit that comes all together with it. So everything's gonna come out to a total like 400. So it's not that bad, but I'm gonna end up just buying it, and then he's gonna do all the work with me. Hopefully I could get some clips or he'll send some, so then that way I could put it like in the next like video. I don't know. Yeah, I think overall, you know, it was a great day. I'm getting my car fixed. So with that said, I'll see y'all in the next video, and make sure y'all like this video, comment, and subscribe.